Aghast by the horrifying killing of 15 individuals, including one soldier, in a Nagaland's Mon district in the last 2 days, All India Trinamool Congress in Meghalaya took out a candle vigil at Khandai Lat in solidarity with the deceased. The incident happened on 4th evening of December when the Indian Army gunned down workers of a coal mine after mistaking them for militants of the National Socialist Council of Nagaland group. The candle vigil was attended by the leaders of Meghalaya AITC and public. While speaking to the media person, AITC leader Mukul Sangma aired the voice along with the rest demanding repeal of Armed Force Special Power Act.
I've come here today to express our solidarity with the people of Mon district of Nagaland and especially to those families who have lost their beloved ones. It is a very sad day, and through our platform we would like to convey our deepest condolences to the families and also pray that God gives them the strength to bear this immense loss and be with them through these troubled times. So this is why we have assembled here today, and I hope we are joined by each and every citizen of the state also to pray for them and light candles in their, for the peace of the departed souls.
I will put it in my own way. Where do you need Armed Forces Special Power Act? If the state government is capable of dealing with the problem of militancy, insurgency and terrorism by itself, without having to take recourse to this draconian law, I don't find any reason for any state to actually have this particular law to be operational in any part of the state or any part of the country. The state of Meghalaya has demonstrated in dealing with terrorism, insurgency, in a manner that should be probably taken up for a case study by Government of India. In fact, on a number of occasions, while we had the privilege of having meeting with Government of India and other states, particularly when we have the internal security meeting convened by the Government of India, we have always shared our concern, and also we have shared our experiences and also strategies in respect of dealing with problem of law and order, problem of insurgency, dealing with terrorism and other associated collateral damage that is exerted because of this lawlessness and terrorism and insurgency. I think the people of Northeast understands how complex it is to deal with the problem of terrorism and insurgency. But Meghalaya has demonstrated its capability without having to resort to adopting this draconian law. I think this is something which must be taken cognizance of by Government of India and look at all the possibilities of dealing with insurgency and other problems related to terrorism in the right perspective without having to resort to this draconian law.